Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Growing Orchids in Jamaica. If you are new to my channel and would like to see more on how I grow orchids in Jamaica, please subscribe to my channel. Christmas is in the air and it's getting cooler, and there are some of our orchids that do not like the cold, but there are some that really enjoys it and put on a show this time of the year. Today I will be doing an update of my Spathoglottis orchids, or ground orchid. I decided to do an update because recently we had some rainfall, and when we had the rainfall I had recently fertilized my Spathoglottis orchids, and I want to show you the before and the after. And so I'm so excited, guys, to show you what it looks like today. Now, growing Spathoglottis orchids are really great for beginners as they are so easy to grow. They do well in the ground as a domestic or landscape garden plant. However, they will also do well potted. They are tropical plants as they will not survive frost. They will do well at temperature ranging from 75 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit in the day and about 60 degrees Fahrenheit at night. They grow up to about 2 feet tall and will grow in light shade to full sun or even in a greenhouse. They like to be watered, however, but they do not like when their roots are constantly wet because this will cause root rot. Therefore, it's best to have them in well-drained soil, and so I plant mine in a mixture of soil or compost mix with charcoal mixed with river stones. And this is actually the same medium that I use for my Cymbidium orchids, as you would have noticed in a previous video. They seem to love this medium because they are actually terrestrial plants. When I did the previous one, I had just one opening on it, and now look at how stunning this one is. It is putting on a spectacular show. Spathoglottis orchids are heavy feeders, and because of that they require regular fertilization. It might be best to use a slow release fertilizer, and so you may not have to apply until every 3 to 4 months or so. I mainly fertilize mine during the springtime. At this time, I incorporate an organic fertilizer within the medium. They come in quite a variety of colors and shade, and certainly know how to put on a spectacular show like this one is doing just now. Their colors range from purple to white to yellow and other varieties of these colors. This one is a mellow yellow and it is in its glory. And this is so because quite recently I incorporated some organic manure in the medium, and thereafter we got some rain, and this is a result of that. 13 spikes at different stages. You would have noticed these are completely opened or fully opened, and I have others here that are not, that are just about to open. Right, and it is indeed putting on a spectacular show. Now, in terms of how I care for them, the medium, of course, is soil. mixed with charcoal and gravel. And each year is to build up the soil with some organic manure. I also spray them for fungus because there are times when the leaves too will get dark and discolored. So once I'm spraying, if you would have noticed here, right, so I tend to spray them as well, and I have to remove the weed from it quite frequently because the weeds tend to rob it of its nutrients. So it is best when you remove the weeds from it. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and share with your friends. Please leave a comment below, and so you never miss another video, please subscribe to my channel. And as we say in Jamaica, just follow back on me. This is the Orchid Doc, and I am growing orchids in Manchester, Jamaica.